I know you think that you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong. Why never did you feel that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hi guys, hello, bonjour. Today is a good day. I'm going to show you how to find your backups. Let's say maybe you're working on a project on a Filmora, and maybe something happened, and when you came back it was unable to trigger that there's a backup which is pending, whereby you can really open it and maybe continue working on a job. Let's assume now it doesn't bring that pop-up. So now I will show you how to retrieve your backups or retrieve saved files or saved projects as you work, because normally what the Wondershare Filmora 11 does, or Filmora whichever you are using, it does is that it stores some files as you are working on a project on an interval time, maybe whatever you have set, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, depends. So today I'm going to show you where it saves those files, so that you can be able to retrieve any project, or maybe you have lost whatever you have worked on and maybe you don't have any other backup. I'm going to show you where it is saved so that you can be able to retrieve any project of yours. So open your Filmora, whichever you are using. For me, I'm using 11, as you can see here. So let me open it, and now I show you how to retrieve your files or your backups which are being saved by Filmora. So you go to File, okay, go to File, then you go to Preferences, then here you go to Save. Here's where you find it. Shows you how many the duration it takes to save my backup, and because you're looking for the backup, this is the link to where they are. So just click Browse, then it take you straight to where it is. So it is in the Filmora this file, and it is backup, and when you open this, you will find all the backups for each day I've been working on. So here are the backups where they are. So I've seen where they are, because if you check from here, you can see the backups are in see, it is in the documents. You see documents, so it is in my documents. So maybe I can, so this I've just browsed to go here. Now I want to take you in a longer way to see where the files are. So because you have seen it is in the documents, Wondershare, now we just close this, because you know where now it is. Maybe I minimize this, then I need to open my folder, maybe for example, then I need to go to my PC, okay, then I need to move to the document part, okay. So in the documents you can see Wondershare. So because those documents, then you go to Wondershare, then Wondershare Filmora, then now you see all these documents or things pertaining to Filmora. But now we're looking for the backups. Here it is. Go to the backups. You can remember this file. So these are the file where we have in there the part of the backup, but now the backups are here. You are unable to read them on the other part, because in the browsing you can't see all this. So basically this is where you can find the backups. So as you had already seen from the other side, it was document, Wondershare, Filmora, and then the backups. So here they are. So just double click whichever backup you're looking for, and it will just open on your Filmora software, and now you can be able to do your editing again and maybe add whatever you want to add, and that is all, guys. So I hope this one helps you guys not to feel that you have lost everything. You can still get your files back and be able to work on them later. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope this helped you.